Have you ever wondered how your health habits are shaping your life? This isn't just about whether you're a size 2 or can run a marathon, it's about the quality and quantity of your life, and the ability to enjoy the things that matter most to you. Our health habits, from what we eat to how often we move, play a significant role in our daily lives. They can influence our mood, energy levels, and even how we handle stress. And speaking of stress, we all know that life can get tough sometimes. It's during these challenging times that maintaining good health becomes even more crucial. Physical exercise is one such health habit that holds the power to transform our lives. It's not just about building muscles or losing weight, it's about keeping our minds sharp, our spirits high, and our bodies resilient. So how about we dive into 5 exercises that can keep you healthy in struggling times? First up, we have jumping jacks. A simple yet effective full-body workout. This classic exercise is more than just a warm-up routine. It's a great way to get the heart pumping and the muscles working. To perform jumping jacks, start by standing straight with your feet together and hands at your sides. Then, jump up, spreading your feet wide as your hands reach for the sky. After that, swiftly jump back to the starting position. That's 1 rep and you're off to a great start. The beauty of jumping jacks lies in its simplicity and efficiency. This exercise boosts your heart rate, promoting cardiovascular health. It also engages various muscle groups, helping to tone your body and burn calories. Not to mention, the rhythmic jumping can enhance your mood, acting as a stress reliever. Remember, start slow and gradually increase your pace and reps as your stamina builds. The key is consistency and dedication. So let's jump into fitness with jumping jacks. Next on the list, planks. A great exercise for strengthening your core. Planks are a simple yet effective exercise that you can do just about anywhere. They require no special equipment, just your body and the will to hold a position that may seem a little uncomfortable at first. Let's break it down. Start by lying face down on the floor or a mat. Position your elbows directly under your shoulders and push your body up into a straight line from your head to your heels. The key to a good plank is maintaining this straight line, so keep your hips in line with your shoulders and resist the urge to let them sag or pike up. Planks are all about core strength and endurance. By holding your body in this position, you're engaging your abs, lower back, and stabilizing muscles, which can lead to better posture and less back pain. Performing planks regularly can significantly improve your core strength and posture. Moving on, we have squats, an excellent exercise for lower body strength. Squats are a quintessential compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once, including quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Not to mention, they also engage your core and improve your balance. To perform a squat, start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Your toes should be pointing slightly outwards. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest upright and your knees tracking over your toes. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, ideally until your thighs are parallel with the ground. Then push through your heels to stand back up. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of squats is to focus on form, not speed. It's better to do fewer reps correctly than more with poor form. Squats are a fantastic way to build lower body strength and improve flexibility. They're a staple in almost any workout routine, and for good reason. Fourth on our list, we have push-ups, a classic exercise for upper body strength. Push-ups are a powerful way to develop your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. When done properly, they can also enhance your cardiovascular system. Now let's dive into how to perform push-ups correctly. Begin in a high plank position, with your palms flat on the ground directly under your shoulders. Your feet should be hip-width apart, and your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Keep your elbows close to your body as you do this. Then, push your body back up to the starting position. Remember, the key is to maintain a straight body line throughout the exercise. What's fantastic about push-ups is their versatility. They can be modified to increase or decrease difficulty, making them a suitable exercise for all fitness levels. Regularly performing push-ups can help you build upper body strength and tone your muscles. Last but not least, we have lunges, a brilliant exercise for your legs and glutes. Lunges are a staple in most workout routines, and for good reason. They target multiple muscle groups at once, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, making them an efficient way to tone your lower body. To perform a lunge, start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with one foot, and lower your body until both your front and back knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure to keep your front knee directly above your ankle, not pushed out too far. Your other knee shouldn't touch the floor. Push back to your starting position and repeat with the other leg. Remember, it's not about speed, but about control and proper form. Lunges not only strengthen your lower body, but they also improve your balance and coordination. Lunges are a great exercise for improving balance and building lower body strength. So, there you have it, 5 exercises to keep you healthy in struggling times. We've journeyed through a series of movements, each with its unique benefits. Jumping jacks, an excellent cardiovascular exercise, gets your heart pumping and improves overall fitness. Planks, on the other hand, strengthen your core, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of back and spinal injuries. Then we tackled squats, a powerhouse move targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Not to forget push-ups, a full-body workout, strengthening your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Lastly, lunges, a fantastic way to work out your lower body, enhancing balance and coordination. These exercises, when combined, create a well-rounded fitness regimen designed to keep you healthy in challenging times. Remember, health is not a destination but a journey, and every step you take on this journey counts. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, stay healthy, and keep strong.